I just came from harvesting these. You can see they're freshly cut with that knife. I've got 8 of them in here. And then lo and behold, sweet potato is saying hello.
Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel.
Hi guys, here I am with knife in hand, coming from the garden to harvest these beauties here. And guess what I spotted? So I just removed this because I thought, let me see what's going on under here. Because look at my sweet potatoes. It's starting to do the things. Look at it. There's not much happening in the garden at the moment. I'm still trying to clean out the garden. This is where the corn was. As you can see, we've put it down. So basically, March is cleaning season. It's starting new seed season. So, but then, anyway, so I just came from harvesting these. You can see they're freshly cut with that knife. I've got 8 of them in here. And then, lo and behold, sweet potato is saying hello. So I just want to see, let's all observe together, if we can get more, if we can get more out of this place over here. So I'm gonna remove this. So this part broke off. It was here, so it broke off. So I'm guessing I'm gonna get 2 more. So here we go, here we go. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my God, what an unexpected harvest. Oh, not so big. Unexpected. There's more underneath there, but I guess that was it, guys. I guess that was it. That was it. So I got these 3 out. I got these 3. 2 nice ones and a mini. And a mini. Okay. I guess that's it. That's it. Thank you so much for getting to this part of the video, which is the end. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, of course. Until the next one.